Hey everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess playing a couple of tactics. So, from playing most of these tactics that I'm putting online too, and seeing this, I'm seeing kind of a pattern of different types of tactics. So, as I go through this, kind of try to figure that out. So this one, I'm looking at the queen, obviously being pressured by the rook that's just moved, and then the bishop that I have on h5 going to take possibly, or the rook, and then putting pressure on their queen. So, not sure if I want to use this one or this one first. And then my knight, can't really see that getting involved. Or maybe this bishop going over here to pin the queen, but that's just losing. I don't have anything backing up that. So one of the things too, I think it is putting the king in check because I can't move over here because of my queen. So if you want to pause the video here, see if you can figure it out. I think I've got it figured out. Alright, here it is, I think. Alright, so I'm going to go with the bishop, and um, then I think this is where it's tricky too. So if I take with my rook, he's going to take my, well, he's probably not going to take my rook. He would take my queen, put me in check, and then I'd have to take with my rook, so I'd be down the exchange. That's what I think this one is. So I think that I'm up the exchange by doing this. Alright, so that's one of the themes, being up the exchange on the chess puzzles. Alright, let's try the next one. Oops. Okay. What do I do? So this one was, okay. And I like to go back. Oh, it's wrong. And do them again because it's just interesting to remember what you do first. Okay, so here we go. So in this next one, what's going on here? So I just moved his king out of check from my bishop, and what do I need to do? Move, and he's got a lot of pressure there, but he can't really take with his queen, either one of those. If I move my knight, I'm losing my queen. Do I want to move my bishop here? Then I'm just losing my bishop. I'm not going to take there. So, oh, okay. Maybe I've got it. If you want to pause the video here, see if you get the second one. Okay, so we were just talking about it. Pinned pieces. I think the rook here, because it's going to be pinning the queen, and I have this bishop backing it up. Alright, so it's takes, and then I take. Alright, so that was it. Thanks for watching these two puzzles, and I hope you learned something. If you want to subscribe or leave a comment, that'd be great. And have a good day. Good night.